For example, is pagka-direction kayo, using your Gmail account, libre ko walang bayad, and they will ask you to name your blog as a blog title, blog work address, and work verification. So, syempre, lagyan natin, for example, I use a SF5.blog. Unahan ko na sila. After a successful approval ng blog title ng URL, dadirect nila kayo in their design template. So, hindi nyo na kayo ready na to, hindi nyo pa kailangan mag-design. Sino ba naka-blogspot dito? Ilan nyo naka-blogspot? Kahit naka-host kayo, we're free. Okay, next. So, alam nyo naman ito, di ba? So, once you select your template, create your blog by start blogging.
Start.
This is a test blog composed of this is your dashboard. Dashboard may composing. Lahat ng blogging platform may dashboard. May compose body. Kung dito kayo magsusulat, dito kayo mag-upload ng photo. Ito yung full photo. Yan. And I wrote a sample here. And this is a blog title. Kung ano yung nilagay yung title dito, ito yung naka-highlight yung taas ng blog. And once I post the publish, lalabas ng your blog post publish successfully. It means nababasa siya kahit kanino. Pero, if you want to have a private journal or private blog, just go to the settings. Any blog has their own settings na pwede set sa private. Gusto mo ito na yung nakakabasa. Pero boring. Pero kung talaga gusto talaga yung style na diary talaga, personal diary, you set your blog to private. So after this, review na ako ng blog, this is the sample template pakingo ko. You can add an image header here. This is the sidebar. That's the body. So, nagawa namin ang blog in just 5 seconds. 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. I'm kaya natin ang blog. So that's the blog URL na pinungan natin. sfzayuson.blogspot.com. But if you want to have your own domain, mamaya, si JP Guido will discuss about that. Tama? Okay, next. So sa blogger.com, you can also have a template designer. You can customize, you can change the format, the background, the format of the body, the sidebar, the footer. This is a new design na ginawa ng blogger.com. Marami kasi ng bagong upgrades to Blogger. So yeah, I'm really pinapromote ko palagi yung Blogger kasi yung ginamit ko. Blogger as a thing to do this. Pero as a fan of Blogger.com. Also, you can host or upload your photos. Hindi ba pwedeng i-upload directly sa Blogger.com or photo bucket? Pero minsan kami problema yung photo bucket. Ginagawa ko na lang, I upload my photos in the Flickr.com to save bandwidth space, to save yung hosting space. So all of my photos are hosted in Flickr. Medyo magkapaho nga ng grabe yung embed code. Pero maganda lang may result na nakakasimple yung bandwidth ng tatlo. And also your hosting. So pag nag-upload sa hosting nyo, if you have 100 MB, no use na nakakagod. So, babayad na lang kayo. Pero sa Flickr, I have a pro account and by $25 per year. It's unlimited upload, unlimited bandwidth din. Pero pag Flickr, may limit lang for 30 MB per month. And for more tips in blogger.com, you can go to youtube.com/user/bloggerhelp. Meron doon tips on how to improve your blog or kung paano kayo mag-set up blog. This is for the newbies or this is for the people who want to learn more about blogging. So, yan. So, maganda to kasi may video, may talagang live discussion ng video, paano kayo gumawa ng blog. Yung yung pang hindi nyo lang kasi test, meron yung video doon. Sinabi ko lang dahil sa story ko lang ng mga dahil nasa kayo ng page. So, you can write this down and take it down the video.